Okay, Josh's group.
What did you draw?
Yeah.
Legislature.
This is my group.
Josh's group, pick me a category. Gotta go, gotta go.
Can we please have DT and A for 5, please?
DT and A.
You said please
for
twice.
5 points. Uh-oh.
Oh, Big A!
Pictionary.
Leon!
Only one person.
Leon!
Yeah, Leon. Keep that dance. Do the dance again, Josh.
Folks, quiet down, quiet down.
Yeah.
Leon, I'm going to give you 1 minute on this.
It's not gonna work.
Oh, this isn't gonna work.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what I need.
Oh.
Starting now.
Can we all get
Just as group for now, but if they don't get it in this minute, then indeed, First Hand IC gets it after that.
Can I see it with the
Oh
whole
my
thing?
God! You need to film this. Oh
You
my
can't really
God.
see it well. That's a dude with the thing on his head. Arrow.
Oh, shout it. Obama bowing down to...
Bowing is what I'm looking
Whoa.
for. Give him +5. Wait, Ruben, make sure that you get a close-up on it.
That's Obama
When you come to the
bowing
board,
down to
no
the
pornography,
dude,
okay?
the Saudi Arabia dude.
No pornography.
And
Okay.
Obama looks like he's about to
And you've
get
been
it.
canceled 5 minutes of pop, right?
Yeah, I
Okay,
did.
you're good? All right, you guys have it. Explain to me the story of the bowing.
Obama's about to get it.
Barack Obama was,
Tool.
I think it was over in Trinidad a couple of days ago, and he bowed down to the Saudi Arabian Shah or king, and
+5. Go ahead.
and then we were discussing in class whether it was good as a symbol, and then Nabil was talking about how
Nabil's my
over in
bro.
Morocco when they have kings, it's a sign of
Subservience.
subservience.
Yes.
Thank you.
And how
So how's it been viewed over here?
over here some people think that it's a good thing because he's looking at it where it's like he's starting off a clean slate, so
Okay.
we want to have like clean relations with everybody.
Okay.
But at the same time, other people are thinking, why is he bowing down to this country?
Absolutely.
The right
+5
people.
more, especially if it's one that could be considered a rival or maybe a little bit of a dangerous country. Pick me a category.
Miscellaneous 5. Yeah.
Miscellaneous for 5. Elections.
Wrong one.
Okay, elections. First Hand IC. What is the difference between a parliamentary and a presidential election? You've got it, Ryan.
Boom. Right in the back.
Parliamentary, the voters, they vote for the party, and then the party gets together and pick who the prime minister will be, who's in what position.
Okay, so in a parliamentary system, the voters vote for the party. They never pick an actual person. And then the party itself is the one that ultimately picks the elected throughout the government.
The indirect election.
Okay, indirect elections. Thank you.
And
Anything
then,
else?
the presidential system, we vote for the candidates individually.
Okay.
And then as a party, they make decisions, but we vote for the candidates as people as opposed to for a party.
Okay, we do that. +5, +10. Anything else you want to tell me about presidential and parliamentary? Because there might be something else.
Parliamentary is the most common system in the world.
Okay, in reference to
System of
elections, though. Because there's a couple of other things, and anybody in the group can jump in. 5. Go ahead, Dan.
We have elections for different places, whatever, and
Oh, for the electoral college.
What about the electoral college?
The
She's the
voters
only girl in the group.
vote directly for the electoral college, which votes for the president.
So what kind of election is that?
Indirect.
Indirect. So basically, a parliamentary system has an indirect election for their executive. We have an indirect election for our executive. +5. Tell me more. Go ahead, Jonathan.
At least in Britain, the Prime Minister can choose when to have an election.
Thank you.
whenever
The
he
Prime
wants.
Minister can choose when to have elections based on what?
Based on his popularity and his party's popularity.
Based on popularity. So you can choose to call for elections when you want. And what's the +5? What's the difference in the American system?
In the American system,
Look at his
it
tail.
goes up to
Her
4
hair's
years
totally longer than
unless the president.
When are they elected in every 4
Oh,
years?
God.
Or was.
First Tuesday after the first month.
First Tuesday after the first Monday in
November.
November. +5. Anything? Go ahead, Danny.
we have 2 dominant parties, whereas in Parliament we have like many parties that can have one can hold a majority and all.
Why do they have more parties in parliamentary systems?
Because they all get represented and they all get a percentage of.
They get proportional representation. Give them 5 more. Anything else?
That's enough, then.
Go ahead, Orlando. I believe Casey's hand was next. So your group's got
In
it.
reference to elections, we are viewed as the United States as the most democratic and the least democratic country in the world because we have the most elections, but we have the lowest voter turnout in our elections.
That was from the first exam. Do we count that? No. -5. Go ahead, Zol.
What? You said elections! You said elections!
Oh, come on.
Come on, do it again.
-5 for, yeah, okay, go ahead. Write down, go ahead, Bill.
Takeaway points.
Uh-oh, hey, watch the language.
Go ahead, US has a winner take all. So if the parliament has proportional, US has winner take all, what does that mean?
So it basically means if like the Democrats win, they basically win it all. It's not based on, you know, how many votes or what percentage the Republicans get. You either get it all or you get nothing.
The person that gets the most votes, irrespective of party, gets the seat. The other one doesn't get anything.
And that's why, like,
+5.
For people to vote for third parties because their vote doesn't count technically. Because if they don't win, they don't get anything.
+5. Go ahead, Russell. One more.
We have a vote of confidence, so if the Prime Minister is...
Oh, you weren't done? That's right, Esther, you're in that group. Forgive me, Russell. Go ahead, Esther.
They also have question time where the Prime Minister goes into the public and answers.
Does that have to do with elections?
No.
-5. Russell, go ahead.
We have something else.
When you miss it, you lose it. Go ahead, Russell. 5.
They can have a vote of no confidence, and pretty much if the Prime Minister isn't doing his job, they can vote him out of office. But
I will take that.
I'll take
There
that.
it is. The Prime Minister can call elections. The Parliament can also dissolve